Looking to earn some extra cash while having fun? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'm going to introduce you to a free app that allows you to play games and earn real money at the same time. Say goodbye to boring apps that waste your time. With this app, you'll be entertained and rewarded. Join the thousands of users who have already discovered the joy of playing and earning. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Watch the video now and start earning today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online. And you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Play and win with Tap Champs app. Play the games you love and win prizes. Tap Champs is a free rewards app that has everything you need to take your gaming experience to the next level and earn rewards. Tap Champs is playable by all mobile game enthusiasts alike. Go from just playing games to paying for games with Tap Champs. Tap Champs is the rewards app that awards you for playing the games you already love and introduces you to new ones all in one app. Play and win. With the growing list of some of the most amazing games around, you can play so many of your favorite casual games like Yahtzee, Wordscapes, Cooking Madness, Solitaire, Bingo, Word Connect, and more, while earning rewards. Invite your friends to play and earn rewards too. The Tap Champs app is simple to use, so you can start playing the games you love and earn rewards anytime, anywhere. Just download the app and start playing games to accumulate rewards points. Redeem your points with PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards, and more. There are so many prizes for you to choose from. Don't miss out on this opportunity to have fun and earn at the same time. Play and win with the rewards app, Tap Champs. Download today to start playing games with rewards. In the end, thanks for watching the entire video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with others. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.